Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jenny, and today I am going to be playing with this collection. It is called The Farmer's Market by We Are Memory Keepers. It has this particular collection. What I have is papers that came with the collection. There are some icon stickers as well as what they're calling alphabet stickers. So let me see if I can. There are some cut apart sheets as well. These sticker sheets, I will say, are very flimsy, so I don't know if I'm going to actually use them. These are the icons here, and these are the alphas. Very, very flimsy. Again, don't know if I'm going to use them, but they are part of this collection. And so let's get started, and then I think I will show you some cut apart sheets that I'm going to be pulling from. So what I decided to do with this particular collection, it just so happened that as I had previously shown all of the papers and the paper page kits as I was making them, or maybe the ones I had selected. But I decided to go ahead and the timing was just right. Janet from RTS Scrapbooking is doing her 4 for 4 series, so I'm gonna jump on that bandwagon. You can look for her 4 for 4 series on YouTube. She has all of her most recent content. I don't know how far back when she transitioned over to Patreon, but it's $1 a month for the Patreon. So not plugging her channel or anything, but this is where obviously the inspiration is going to come from. So here I'm going to show you, I'm not going to show you any for class content. What I'm going to show you are the papers that I've selected. So Janet has you, there's lots of instructional videos on there, but she will tell you to pick 4 pieces of paper. And I'm just going to fan them out a little bit. So this is my inspiration paper. I love this paper. I love the colors on them. They're a little bit unusual, but I love them. So this is my inspiration. I'm going to do something like this. This is the next piece of paper that I have brought in. While there are no rules to the 4 for 4 series, the base of the cuts of the paper are basically that you're doing on 4 pieces of paper. So these are my 4 pieces of paper. You can double this, like you can select another 4 and another 4 and another 4. It works perfect. I have decided to go ahead and bring in 2 additional pattern papers, but to act as backgrounds. So there is this kind of wood grain, whitewash wood grain, and this other sheet of paper, which is, you may not be able to tell, but it has the distress look on 3 of the corners. So I'm thinking I can do something with this. I have no idea what photos are going to go in here, but this is one that I am going to use. So come back and let's see what pages I can make out of here. So stay tuned for that, you guys, and I hope to be back real soon showing you as I create some additional base pages using the 4 for 4 series of Janet. So I will talk to you guys real soon. Come back soon and see what we get into. Bye for now. So guys, I just finished filming. Hey guys, I just finished filming my introduction to the papers that I'm going to be using for the 4for4 series, using this collection, The Farmer's Market by We Are Memory Keepers. I thought it would be fun because I kind of changed my original plan of the paper kits to do the 4for4 series. So I'm going to go and I'm going to look through the remaining papers that I have to see if I can pull together some additional papers for another that will have a completely different look, another 4for4. So let me just organize my papers a little bit here. This I only have one of. This I should only have one of. Sorry, I should have done this off camera, but I'm kind of filming just back to back. This one only has one. This one only has one. Okay, let's see. That has two. That has two. Okay. Let's see. Let's see what we have here. Okay, so there is this text. There is like this orangey red grid paper. Oh, doesn't that, look at that floral. That is a cute floral. There is this striped. I wonder if this would be good in my other kit. Let me just take a look. I may put it in there. Oh, come on. Yeah, I'm gonna put it in there. And whatever I don't use, I can maybe bring over. So these are the A sides or the B sides, whatever you want to call them. Okay, so just getting an idea of the layout of the land here. And then this is the B side. Oh, I do like how that looks. And this, let's see. Okay, let's flip a couple of these. Alrighty. Let's see, what's on the other side? Okay, that's another floral. What's on the other side of this? Okay. So look at that and these two together. I actually like this one. Let me see. Do I like these two together? Or no, I think I do like this, but I think I'm gonna pair it with this. Let's flip these over, you guys. Sometimes you just gotta keep flipping here. Or do I like it more with this? The grid. I think I like it more with the stripe. Okay. There's the stripe. How do I like... It's a different scale flower. I'm gonna try it. 3, and so this is only one of now. Let me see this. Oh, I don't like that. I like that, but I don't know if I like it with that. I'm gonna turn these over. Oh, that's looking cute right there. Okay, so let's see. So maybe this. Oh, I think I like that. The black with this one. Okay, so these are still my doubles that I haven't touched. Yeah, I don't think I like the text with that one. I'm gonna try, this will be a nice background as well. think I like the red. I'm gonna keep that. Or do I like the yellow? No, I think I like the black. I'm gonna bring in the yellow. Ah, okay. So now, do I like the bolder stripe or the thin stripe? Bold. Okay. Oh, and look at this. This would make a nice background as well. So, do I have backgrounds for this? Hold on. 1, 2. Oh, I brought 2 in for this. Nope. Don't need to. Look at the backgrounds. Okay, I think I'm gonna bring those in. I don't know if I'm gonna use this. I'll keep it in the background just so that I see it. Okay, so now all right, now let me organize this mess that I have going on over here. And organize. Okay. Okay, so I have gone ahead. I have separated my papers. Oh, you know what I didn't show you guys? I think this has cut parts. Does it have cut parts? Maybe it doesn't even have cut parts and I just made that up. No, I don't think it has cut parts. I made that up. Oh, yes it does. Yes it is. That's what these are. Okay, so let me set these aside. So now I have 2 4x4 kits. I'm going to separate them with a piece of paper. And then these are the cut aparts that I'll be pulling from because I do not have any embellishments for this. So these are, this is the front, and this is the back. So you have some 4x3s, some 4x6s. So I will be making just some decisions about once it gets time to actually put photos together about what makes sense. So that's what I'm thinking about and I'm going to be playing with. I hope that you will join me for my next few videos, which I probably will be showing you what I'll be making with these. All right, so here's just a quick snapshot of my paper selections, if you will. And let me fan them out a little bit for you. And just like that. And then some backgrounds in there as well. So I hope that you will come back soon and see what I create with these papers. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.